Good day. My name is Dalil Rahmatullah, and I am a verified record setter, world record holder. Today I am submitting a nomination on behalf of the person without whom my record would not exist. Shamil Alauddinov, Imam Khatib of the Moscow Memorial Mosque on Poklonnaya Hill, and chairman of the Council of Ulema of the Spiritual Administration of Muslims of Russia, is the author of the 5-volume semantic translation of the Holy Quran into Russian, published in St. Petersburg. You can see all these 5-volume Quran translation with the name of Shamil Alauddinov here and inside. Shamil Alauddinov. So this is 5 books of Quran translation. Also the name of Mr. Shamil inside of my books of poems. Here you can see Shamil Alauddinov. In all my poem books, Shamil Alauddinov's name exists. So here, so in the second, Shamil Alauddinov. Shamil Alauddinov. So his translation served as the sole and exclusive source for all 1,490 Quranic verses that I incorporated into my 54 books poetry collection, which received a verified record setter world record. Every verse in my collection is referenced by Mr. Shamil Alauddinov's translation. Every footnote contains his commentary. Every theological explanation is based on his tafsir. Therefore, Mr. Shamil Alauddinov is the author of the most Quranic verse translations by a single scholar to be incorporated into a verified world record literary work. So now this attained most Quranic verses whose Russian language semantic translation served as the basis for a verified world record poetry collection. So I respectfully ask record setter to register this record. Thank you very much for your attention.